Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back again with me. My name is Dava Kurniayono and my lesson pen number is 077. Here, today I want to explain and to talk about a topic that affects everyone of us in one way or another. That is the nature of teaching and learning. Okay, maybe whether you are a student, you are a teacher, or simply someone passionate about knowledge, understanding how teaching and learning work can truly enrich your experience. Okay, here uh, the material want to explain by me. The first, what is teaching and what is learning, and the relationship between them, and challenge and opportunities of them, and the last, the conclusion about all the material. Okay, the first one is, what is teaching? Let's begin with teaching. Teaching is more than just giving information. It's about inspiring, guiding, and supporting someone in their journey to understand something new. A good teacher doesn't just transfer knowledge, they help the learner construct meaning. That's why great teachers ask questions, give real life examples, and encourage curiosity. Okay, teaching also changes depending on the context. In traditional classrooms, it might involve lectures and textbooks. In more modern settings, it could include technology, modern setting, or flipped classrooms. Regardless of the methods, the core of teaching is communication, connecting with learners, and helping them engage with the content. Okay, that is the teaching. Okay, now, uh, what is learning? Okay, now let's look at learning. Learning is an active process. It's not just about memorizing facts, but making sense of them. Real learning happens when we can apply what we know to new situations. For example, learning a language is not just about knowing grammar rules. It's not about using those rules to communicate. It's about using using rules to communicate. Learning can be formal, like in schools or universities, or informal, like when you learn to cook by watching videos or improve your skills through experience. Everyone learns differently too. Some people learn by reading, others by doing, and some through discussion. Okay, that is the learning. Now is the relationship between teaching and learning. So, how do teaching and learning connect? In an ideal world, they support each other. They support uh, between teaching and learning. Teaching should adapt to how people learn best, and learners should be active participants, not just passive listeners. That's why modern education focus on student-centered learning, where students take more responsibility and teachers become facilitators. The best learning happens when there is trust and collaboration, when students feel safe, respected, and motivated. They are more likely to explore and take risks. And That's when real growth happens. Okay, that is the relationship between teaching and learning. Next is challenges and opportunities of them about teaching and learning. Of course, they, there are challenges. Not all students learn at the same pace. Some may face barriers like language, environment, or lack of access to technology. Teachers, on the other hand, might struggle with large size, limited research, or pressure to meet certain standards. But with challenges come opportunities. Technology, for instance, can support personalized learning. Online platforms allow students to learn at their own speed. Also, lifelong learning is becoming more important. Today, learning doesn't stop at graduation. We continue learning throughout our lives. Okay, that's all uh, the material about the nature of teaching and learning. And the conclusion is to wrap up. To wrap up, teaching and learning are deeply connected and constantly evolving. They are not just about schools or classrooms. They are about growth, discovery, and human connection. When teaching is thoughtful and learning is active, there amazing things can happen. Okay, that's all from me about the nature of teaching and learning. Thank you for watching and thank you for listening. And I hope this inspires you to think more deeply about how you teach, how you learn, and how we can all become better about it. Okay, thank you. This is for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.